Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 unique ways to decorate a cake in 5 minutes. Let's do this. Number 1, stamp it out. Take some gel icing color, mix it with some vodka, get your favorite cookie cutter shape, and just dip it in the solution and you can stamp it out. This is a really nice polished look that's so easy. Number 2, bling bling. Get out your favorite gold dust, put it in a bowl, mix it up a little bit with some vodka or Everclear. You can also use vegetable oil to mix these solutions together if you can't use alcohol. Make sure to check in my video description below for good gold dust recommendations. There are some pretty bad ones out there. Take your favorite cookie cutter shape and a brush. Make sure that your cake is chilled. And you just paint inside your cookie cutter and feel free to go around the edges. You can be super sloppy and it comes out looking perfect. And I cannot make a freehand circle for the life of me, so this is a great trick. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to learn how to decorate more cakes and sweets, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Number 3, making motifs. Grab your favorite shape, and I like to use a tip number 32, and you just pipe along the inside and you have these beautiful motifs. If you want it to look super polished, you can chill this in the refrigerator before you pull the cookie cutter off. I love this look. It's so unique. It looks kind of like a throw pillow. I just think it's super cool. Number 4, pom-poms. Use the same number 32 tip, and you could simply just do one motif and you're done. It's quick, it's simple, it's adorable. Number 5, sprinkle in the lines. Take a shape and fill it up with buttercream. Make sure you really get to the edges, and then after that's all filled up, you just sprinkle some sprinkles on there and make sure you get them right to the edges. And then I like to put it in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. So then when you pull that cookie cutter off, you don't have a bunch of sprinkles falling. I think this looks super cool because it's kind of raised up from the buttercream. I love it. It's so easy and so adorable and colorful. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.